Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture on steam turbine. This is the fourth unit and this is lecture number 31. In this particular video, we'll cover the introduction part, that is what do you mean by steam turbine, the introduction and concept, how actually this steam turbine works, and then we'll also cover the classification. So in simple words, we can say what are the different types of steam turbines. So we'll also cover it in this particular video. First, basically we'll see the introduction part. So what do you mean by a steam turbine? A steam turbine is a prime mover in which heat energy of high pressure steam is converted into kinetic energy. Okay, so the name itself suggests that steam turbine. So whatever the turbine is there, it is rotated with the help of high pressure steam, right? So whatever the steam is there, which is having a high heat, high pressure, that steam gets converted into kinetic energy, right? And then that kinetic energy is converted into mechanical work on rotary blades. So whenever the high pressure steam it impacts on these blades, that is rotor blades, what happens, it gets converted into mechanical work. The rotary blade or the rotor starts rotating and mechanical work is obtained. Force exerted on blades is due to velocity of steam, right? So whenever the force that is exerted on the blades, that is due to the high velocity of the steam. So blades, vanes or buckets are formed on the wheel. Okay, you can see here on the right side there is a small picture of it. So this is the rotor, and above that there are blades which are attached. Okay, these are the blades, and here it is the nozzle. So through this nozzle the high velocity steam will be made to impact on these blades, right? So due to that, what happens, the rotor starts rotating. So if you change the direction of this nozzle, so the direction of the rotor can also be changed. So you can see here now this rotor is rotating in clockwise direction, right? So if you keep it in this direction, so it starts rotating in anti-clockwise direction, right? So whatever the high heat energy, high pressure steam is made to impact on these blades, and due to that, what happens, kinetic energy is converted into mechanical work on rotary blades. So this is the basic introduction part of steam turbine, right? So a turbine, it is nothing but a prime mover. We call it as a prime mover, which is used to obtain a mechanical work. Okay, so here in this case the turbine is rotated with the help of steam, high pressure, high heat steam, which is made to impact on the turbine, and turbine starts rotating. So we'll see the basic concept of steam turbine. You can see here on the right side there is a small animation. So we'll see one by one how actually it works. A steam turbine is a mechanical device that extracts thermal energy from pressurized steam and transforms it into mechanical work. You can see here this is a nozzle. Through this nozzle you can see the steam is coming out, right? So this steam is having a very high thermal heat or heat energy, and when it impacts on these blades, it gets transforms into mechanical work. Okay, so it impacts on the blades and mechanical work is obtained. A steam turbine is powered by steam, right? Hence we call it as a steam turbine. As hot gaseous steam flows past the turbine spinning blades, you can see here the turbines are arranged, various turbines are arranged in series. So the steam passes through, and whatever it impacts on these blades, okay, rotor blades, and the turbine starts rotating. Steam expands and cools, giving off most of its energy it contains. So whatever the energy at the beginning, okay, when it leaves the nozzle end, so whatever the energy that it contains here, so when it impacts on these blades, what happens, it all expands. Okay, it gives off all its energy to these blades, and what happens, it gets converted into work, mechanical work. The steam spins the blade continuously, right? So these blades thus convert most of the steam's potential energy into kinetic energy. That is how the mechanical work is obtained. So at the other end, okay, here there will be a steam, this is a nozzle, this is steam turbine. At the other end, here there will be a motor will be connected to this shaft of this turbine. So when the turbine rotates, simultaneously the motor also rotates, and that is how electricity is produced, right? So these are used in steam power plants to produce electricity or to generate electricity. So here we'll see the classification or types of steam turbine. Okay, so this steam turbine are basically classified so according to the action of steam, right? So how the steam is made to impact on the blade. So it is under that it is categorized as impulse turbine and reaction turbine. So according to the direction of steam flow, how it is made to flow, that is axial flow turbine or radial flow turbine. So according to the pressure of steam, so whether the pressure is high pressure, low medium pressure or low pressure, based on that the different types of steam turbines are used. If the pressure is low, pressure is high, we use high pressure turbines. If the pressure of the steam is medium, we use medium pressure turbine, and if the pressure of the steam is low, we use low pressure turbine. So according to the exhaust condition of the steam, condensing turbine, non-condensing turbine. Okay, so once whatever the steam is there, it impacts the turbine, it cools, it expands. So based on that, after it expands, so whether it has to be condensed or whether we don't need to condense it, based on that, these are the classification. And then according to the number of stages, so whether it is a single stage turbine, multi-stage turbine. So in that particular animation, in the second slide we have seen that animation, you can see there are various different number of turbines. So those we call them as multi-stage turbines. Okay, so single stage turbine, only one single turbine will be there. In multi-stage there will be various turbines arranged in a series. Okay, so these are the types of turbines, or you can say classification of steam turbines. So here in this particular video we have covered the introduction part. So what do you mean by a steam turbine? Okay, so a turbine, basically it is a prime mover, okay, which is connected to some other device so that electricity is generated. So here in this case, steam turbine, that is a steam is used to produce or what we can say, to rotate the turbine, and hence simultaneously it rotates the motor to produce electricity. So whatever the steam that we use here, it is a high pressure steam, that is it is a superheated steam which has high pressure and high heat. So it is made to impact on the steam turbine and it starts rotating. And also we have covered the classification of steam turbine. Okay, so in next video we'll cover the different types of steam turbine. Thank you.